welcome back to Moby's Kitchen. And right now I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pesto that can be used for all sorts of recipes. And let's take a look at our ingredients right now. We've got about a half a cup of olive oil. We've got about 3 crushed cloves of garlic, pine nuts. Now you can use any kind of nut that you like. Pine nuts is the traditional way to go, but they are a little bit pricey. So I've made it with cashews, walnuts. You can do whatever you like. We've got about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves here. My favorite, Pecorino Romano from Italy. You know, you gotta buy the good stuff. We've got some kosher salt, some black pepper, and then we're gonna need our trusty Cuisinart here to grind everything up. Okay, so our first step here, we're gonna get our garlic in the Cuisinart. Just put it in whole like that. And then all of our basil's going in. There we go. And then our 2 tablespoons here of pine nuts. So we've got about 2 cups of the basil, about 2 tablespoons of pine nuts, and about 3 crushed garlic cloves. Then what we're gonna do is put our lid on here, and we're gonna pulse it to start. There we go, get a nice sort of blend here to it. Puree it up a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of fresh cracked black pepper. Not much. And then just a little pinch of kosher salt. Just like that. We don't want it too salty because there is salt in the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna grate in some of this fresh Pecorino Romano now. I think you do probably about, 3 tablespoons of this. You can do as much as you want. You know me, I love this stuff, so I'm not gonna be shy. There we go. All right, then we're gonna put this lid back on here. And then this piece goes in here. Without that, my Cuisinart won't work, so whatever system you have, work with it properly there. You wanna have something that you can drizzle the olive oil in slowly, so this works perfect for it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this on. Slowly drizzle the olive oil in. Okay, it should get this nice creamy consistency that we're seeing here. And let it go for, I don't know, about 20 or 30 seconds. All right. There you go. You've got your fresh pesto. Okay, let's give this pesto a little try here. We're not gonna eat a ton of it because it's not made to just eat like this. It's made to be put on stuff or mixed in pasta, but let's give it a shot and see if our salt's right and our pepper's right, and it tastes good. If you love pesto, really simple to make it at home, put it on all your favorite things. You'll have a good time with it. Thanks again for stopping by Moby's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. We've got a lot more videos coming your way.